cutting the ribbon to celebrate as the first phase of construction and renovations have been completed. Hilton at Island Middle School is excited to show off their finished projects.
Who's ready for a tour?
Like this new addition. The more than 9,000 square foot space includes STEM classrooms, teacher work area, storage, and restrooms.
We have a few classrooms that are a little bit bigger than a regular classroom, so there's been room to spread out and grow. We've also been able to get into that space, which is all fresh, redone, brand new, and so it's really motivating and energizing for the staff and the students.
The media center was also renovated, and security upgrades were made to the main entrance of the school. Another area that has been improved is the courtyard. There's now different types of seating options classes can use for outdoor learning opportunities.
The outdoor space is completely redone, and luckily we can utilize that more and get outside for reading, learning, all kinds of things that happen throughout the day. And the kids have really been excited to see the media center. One of them mentioned earlier that it encourages them to read. So it's been an awesome opportunity to really just gain these spaces and be able to show off and show the kids really what this school is known for is the excellent education that we have.
The students are really enjoying all the new spaces and upgrades.
My favorite part of the school now, I'd have to say, is probably the media center because it's a lot more colorful and the bookshelves are a lot nicer than they were and they're a lot more organized. And it's also just really comfortable now with all the new furniture and the seats and everything. It makes it a lot more enjoyable to sit in.
The courtyard's a lot nicer with the new awning, and they trimmed the grass, and it's just a lot nicer of a space to really hang out in.
The internet's better, the desks are better. They have more space to put my stuff. The classroom has good AC, it's cold, it's fresh. It's a good learning area.
The next phases of construction are already underway. Renovations and upgrades are going to be made to the gym and auditorium, as well as several hallways and classrooms.
We're excited to have the building that's completely finished and have everything looking brand new and fresh. Right now we're doing a good job utilizing the space we have to keep learning happening and stay out of construction's way so they can finish on time.
All phases of construction are scheduled to be completed by the fall of 2024. This project was made possible by the 2019 School Board referendum. At Hilton at Island Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.